In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new category in Gmail. Managing your emails efficiently can significantly enhance your productivity, and adding custom categories tailored to your needs is a fantastic way to achieve that. So let's dive straight into it and see how you can organize your inbox with ease. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll see a section labeled Inbox and several other folders like Sent and Drafts. Scroll down this list and you should notice a More option. Clicking on More will expand the list further, revealing additional features. Ensuring that your inbox is clutter-free often starts with exploring these hidden options. After expanding the sidebar, look for the option labeled Create New Label. This feature allows you to initiate a new category or folder in which you can organize your emails. The term label is Gmail's terminology for categories or folders, and is fantastic for grouping related emails so they're easier to locate in the future. So go ahead and click on Create New Label. Now a small window will pop up asking you to name your new label. This is your chance to think about how you want to categorize your emails. For instance, you might create labels like work, family, or projects, depending on your personal or professional needs. Be sure to choose a name that clearly reflects the emails that this label will group together. This clarity will serve you well as your inbox grows. Once you've chosen a suitable name for your new label, you'll click Create. This simple action will add your newly named label to your list on the sidebar. You'll now see it among your other categories, ready for you to start organizing your emails accordingly. This method streamlines your email management, making it easier to prioritize and locate communications quickly. By following these straightforward steps, you can create as many categories as needed to keep your emails organized. Remember, the key to efficient email management is not only sorting old emails, but consistently using these labels for new emails as well. Over time, this practice can vastly improve the manner in which you handle day-to-day email correspondence. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to seamlessly add new categories in Gmail. By customizing your inbox in this manner, you're setting yourself up for a more organized and stress-free email experience. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy emailing.